Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the refrigerator door handle on this LG refrigerator, you will need an SAE 5/64 inch Allen wrench. Using the Allen wrench, loosen both screws located on the top and bottom of the door handle, and then pull off the handle from the mounting pins. Remove the new door handle from the packaging. Mount the handle to the fridge and tighten the 2 screws on the ends. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.